Today we're making an epoxy wood hybrid chessboard. A friend of mine's son is going off to college. I had some scrap maple laying around. That, mixed with some epoxy, should make a beautiful chess set.
That's looking pretty darn good. That should do it. Let's finish it up with palm sand. Have some wormholes with dust. Nothing a little CA glue won't handle. With it fully sanded and ready to go, let's turn our attention to finishing it. I considered, because this is a travel board for a college student, we could cover this with stone coat countertops, epoxy, and totally encapsulate this for the occasional beer-fueled chess party. Do they do that still? In this case, I think I'm gonna go with Odie's oil, give it a little bit of a hand-rubbed finish. Worst case scenario, it gets taken up in a frat party. We'll just put epoxy on it later. Just gotta put the feet on it. The grid should hopefully hold the pieces together. The idea of the grid is we'll take these pieces, we'll put them in upside down like this. I'm hoping that they won't fall over while they're in the pressure pot. We could go the traditional black and white route, but why would we want to do that? He's into blue, so I think what we're going to do is we're going to go with royal blue, and then let's class it up a little bit. Let's add some copper metallic. These two together, that's freaking brilliant. I might have made a little too much. I don't feel like doing with overpour, so you know what? Let's use a resin syringe to put it in there, huh? All my paramedic skills to test in one project. I do like stepping on my tippy toes is gonna really make a difference, right? Make sure everything's level. Come back in 90 minutes and we'll see what they look like. Please don't fall over. Let's get started working on the case. I'm liking that. Not bad. Let's get it glued up and see what it looks like. This is how we get our steps in. Getting clamps. So we'll do this. And it sits till the morning. Not bad. Now we've got the finger joints all figured out, let's head over to the router table where we're going to make the bottom and the top. Here goes nothing. Hold on. Oh. Get in there, get in there. Yes! Woo! I mean, it's not perfect, but it's so pretty. And And it's square. I know. Wow. Made it a little bit bigger. We're gonna glue it on the top and then use a flush trim bit and then we'll make it flush. Look at that! It's looking good. Let's get it prepped so we can cut it into 2 pieces. We're gonna run it through the table saw and we're just gonna cut through all 4 sides and we have 2 pieces. Lid opens up.
Now that makes sense.
Ah! Now where are those scraps? I think we want to keep the pieces from rolling around. Let's add a decorative edge to this top. So I decided I wanted to suede the inside of it with flock. How old were you when you first flocked? Let's do this. Let's do this thing. All right, we'll let it sit until tomorrow. All right, here goes nothing. Get some hinges on it. And this is when we see Scott cry. You know what? For my first ever finger joint box, it's pretty freaking cool. Checkmate.
Oh, for the love of